Hi guys, my name is Mary Grace and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make adobo, chicken adobo. That's everybody's Filipino food favorite. So I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and start this with just basic ingredients. We have some soy sauce. It's about 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce, some vinegar. We also have some garlic, minced garlic, chopped onions over here. And with my adobo, I usually put a little bit of sugar to just make it a little bit like sweet. And we also have black pepper, some salt, and the bay leaves, of course, is the main. And also with my adobo, I also add some potatoes. I chopped them up already for you, and a whole pack of the chicken wings, and I cut them in half. You see, and all right, let's go get it started. All right. So first we have to turn our stove into about between medium, high and medium and high, if you can see. And then all I do is I just add all the ingredients together. We got the onions, we got sugar, some soy sauce, and then the vinegar. We also got the bay leaves. And a little bit of pepper. Alright. And we got some salt. Alright, and I just cover that up until it starts simmering, and just wait until it's simmered up, and you can open the lid back up. Don't stir it. Alright, now let's open it up and start mixing all of them up. Mix all the ingredients and the chicken together. So it gives all the chicken some flavors. You actually don't need to put that potato until this chicken is all the way cooked. And then we'll just wait another maybe 10 minutes. And then we'll close it back up. That's it. Alright, so let's open this up. Mix it up a little bit more. It's not quite done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the sauce. And I'm just going to try, see what it tastes like. It's a little sour. But it's good and yummy. Chicken is boiling. Looks like it is almost ready. You can see the chicken is almost cooked. I'm just going to try and get some little bit of the sauce and try them. Tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and add these potatoes, and then we're gonna close this back up until this potatoes is done. And then we'll go stir another for we'll wait another maybe 2 minutes until this potato's done, and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, so it looks like the potatoes are done. Just mix it up a little bit. The chicken are falling off the bone, so that means it is ready. Now I'm just gonna turn my stove off and just leave this for maybe 5 minutes, and it is ready to serve. All right, it's good. It's ready. And I have some plates here with some rice. We usually eat the adobo with some rice. That's how my kids love it. Just gonna put some chicken on there. Potatoes, some soup, some rice. You like a lot of soup. All right, we got some bay leaves over here. Let's
appetit.
I got my kids over here trying out the dish. How is it?
It's good. No, it's very good.
That's the favorite dish.